Hey guys, it's Blake with Beauty and Style Network. Welcome back, and today we are going to go over how to transform your day makeup look into a night makeup look. To start this transition, you need just the basics: an eyeshadow palette, bronzer, blush, and some highlighter. And you can't forget lipstick. So first off, you just want to have all of your brushes that you used that morning that you got ready with. So my foundation brush, I'm not going to want to put makeup back on the foundation brush just because I don't want a cakey look. So I'm just going to take my foundation brush that I used that morning and just apply all over my face to help get rid of any shiny, oil, unevenness that might have come off throughout the day. So another important part is to touch up your bronzer, your blush, and your highlighter. So I definitely love the Hoola bronzer by Benefit. It's one of my very favorites, and I'm going to go through with just my brush to begin with because I don't want it to look too dark or too cakey on my face. If I need to go through and add a little bit more of the actual product, then I can, but I always just want to start out with just the brush because 9 times out of 10 it already has product on it. Third step, go in with blush. I love this palette. It has tons of different colors on it, which I like because I get bored easy and I never want to use the same thing every day. So I love this one, and again, I'm just going to go in with my blush brush, say that 10 times fast, and just apply it to my cheeks, and I'll just go through and just do it just like that. Nothing too crazy, and again, if I need more, I can go through with the actual product and use that. And next, I'm gonna go through with highlighter, my very favorite, because I like being shiny. With this, because I know that I like extra shine to my face, I will go in and use the actual product first, and you know, I don't rub the brush, I more like tap it on the product. And then I go through and I just put it on my nose. I'll do the highest point of my cheeks, so like right through here, and I'll just go through and tap it on. Again, I don't want to like rub it really fast or anything like that. I just want to tap, and that will give you plenty of shine. If you're feeling fancy, you can go through at your Cupid's bow right here and put it on there too. Now for the fun part, eyeshadow, which I love all of the Too Faced palettes because they all have scents and I just think that is just so fun. And this one is the Sweet Peach palette, so it smells like peaches. And so normally on your daytime look, you're not gonna go in with a super dramatic eye. You want more like neutrals, light pinks, anything like that. So for your nighttime look, now it's like where it gets fun. So we can go in with darker colors. If I was gonna go through with my night look, I would go through and use this darker brown over here. And this morning, I actually used this light one, which is called Peaches and Cream, and I went in with the Puree too. So I would go through and just use the Charmed, I'm sure, to darken it up and make it more of a dramatic look. I'm gonna go in with the more dense side of the brush. Again, I am going to apply product on it because I know that I didn't use that this morning. Tap it off so it's not too much. And then I will go through and start at like right below my brow bone and just put it on there and go back and forth, kind of like windshield wipers. Always start small because it's so easy to build, but it's a lot harder to take away. Another super important thing to do is you want to take the lightest shade that you have, which mine is the White Peach, and I'm gonna put it in the corner of my eyes, and that's just going to brighten up around my eyes so I don't look so dark. Easy, right? Your brows aren't gonna just come off throughout the day, but sometimes for a night look, I like to make mine a little bit more dramatic, maybe with a higher arch or a little bit darker. And so I would just go in with my Benefit brow pencil and do that. Make sure you brush them first because we know we all have those crazies that like to stick out. And I would just go through and make them just a little bit darker. And for eyeliner, on a normal day, I normally don't wear a cat eye. If I'm feeling fancy, I will, but normally I would just do a straight across liner. And for a night look, I do want to go in there and add a cat eye liner in there just to be a little bit more dramatic. I already did that for you guys because I don't think I could do it without a mirror, but I did just take my Kat Von D tattoo liner, which is my very favorite. I kind of want to say it's like a Sharpie. It has like that Sharpie tip to it, and it's really easy to put on. And I just take it and I just add to my eye right here. Last but definitely not least, I would say this is 100% my favorite part, is lipstick. So for a daytime look, not always, but most of the time, you want a more natural, neutral shade. But for night, you want something a little bit more dramatic. I would go in with this one. It is the Set to Sizzle by MAC. It's super shiny and it's very moisturizing to your lips. And there you have it. That is your day to night makeup look. Thanks for watching today. Be sure that you like and subscribe to Beauty and Style Network. Comment down below what your favorite beauty product is. I would love to know. And be sure to ring the bell to never miss an upload. See you next Wednesday. It's pretty, that's why I picked that one. Gotcha. It's a pretty. I mean both, you know. Alrighty. It's why? I say stuff and I don't know why I say it. Is that weird? Yeah, okay, you're right. Thanks for watching. Okay.
You got it. You got it.
Thanks for watching.